and enjoy this race and enjoy the we sincerely
He's so fucked. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm a little nervous, you know. These handguards are pretty stiff, so hopefully when I clip some trees, they keep my knuckles safe. But yeah, I'm ready. It's excited. I'm mind blown by the GNCC crowd. This is unreal. I guess this is a bucket list thing for me. I get to do with the Husky boys. Full factory effort. I mean, what other way would you rather do it? So I'm grateful, spoiled, and I hope I fucking survive. Huh? Because he's Ryan, you know. He's got to kickstart his bike. He's on a 125. He chose a 125, so he had an excuse why he doesn't have to try very hard. So it's actually a smart play, you know. And then if he does beat me, if I cartwheel myself and be like, I fucking beat you on a 125, you know. So I got played smart. He's trying to fuck with me with some not mind games, but it ain't working. You know?
The Tiddler.
Yeah, we'll see. Got to get her off the line first. All these other ones are cheap. Got electric start.
How was the four-wheeler for 30 minutes yesterday?
It was good, actually. It was. I had fun. My expectations were fairly low because I didn't know what to expect, and it was good. Bike handled well. And it was fun. I wouldn't want to do 2 hours on it. One lap was enough.
Right. That 125, Ryan.
It was good. It was really good. It was easy to ride in the real tight stuff. Maybe obviously down on power in the cornfields, but I like the 125X. It's especially because you can lug it around. And I got tired pretty quick, so it's long moto being tired.
Oh yeah.
So I was glad I actually picked it, other than the Kickstarter on the line.
Yeah, the start wasn't there.
No, I got too excited, and I knew I told myself don't get on the gas too soon, or it'll just kill it out. And that's exactly what I did. I started it and went to go, and so. But it was all right. It was good.
One time for your first woods race?
It was. Yeah, it was.
Good deal.
I'm more out though.
I saw you a couple times from a distance. Your legs are all over the place.
Yeah, my I don't have good form to start with, and I got spaghetti legs, so I sat probably the first 2 laps 90% of the fucking time, and then I'm like, dude, I got to get off my ass because I'm pretty sure my butt cheeks are ripped apart right now. But we survived. I did have a blast. It was cool, and there was, last 2 laps, I felt like I kind of had a pretty decent flow and started to pick up a couple of little cheater lines and stuff, and it was, the GNCC is a vibe. I truly enjoyed it. 2 hours is the limit for me. I don't think I could do 3, but it's cool. Husky guys treated me like I was a fucking superstar this weekend, and I was spoiled. So I don't deserve any of it, but it was rad. So
Well, those boys that you're in that top 5 in those out of the sportsman class, I mean, they've done this stuff.
Yeah.
They've done the 3 hours.
Yeah,
You were there with them.
there's one guy on a Honda, I don't know who it was, but he pulled me along for the first lap and a half and kind of showed me a bunch of the good lines. And like I said, I like the bum rush stuff, and out there you really can't. So and a lot of the hidden gems underneath the silt,
Oh yeah.
I'm not a fan of, but it was good. I survived, and I can check this off my bucket list. So I will say I would come back and do this for sure. So it was a blast.